Imagine yourself a world where artificial intelligence can create unreasonably high-quality realistic images, answer any questions, and even predict the future. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But what if I'll say to you that this future has already begun? Today we will talk about Grok 2, the newest AI model from Elon Musk, which can turn your outlook on technology upside down. But that's not all. We will discuss a provocational image generator and also look into the future, where us awaits Grok 3 with its unreasonably high computing power. If you don't want to miss out on the latest AI news, don't forget to subscribe on this channel and also like this video. Your support helps us create quality content about the newest technologies. And now, are you ready to find out how Elon Musk plans on winning the AI race and what consequences can this have for all of us? Then watch this video till the end, and you will find out why the future of artificial intelligence can be much more exciting and even scary than you ever imagined. Stop, please wait a second. I almost forgot to tell you about our unique Discord server. There you will find hot news from the world of AI and technology. And also, I have a special present for you. On this server, you will find a useful guide on how to correctly make prompts for ChatGPT, and also pre-made templates for various tasks. And again, this super useful guide is available absolutely for free on our Discord server. Link to the server will be in the description. Enjoy the video. Most of you have probably heard about a mysterious model codenamed sus::R, which has for a little while been available on the chatbot arena platform LMSys. It turned out that this model was a beta version of Grok 2. It appears we already had access to this model without even realizing it. Now, let's look at the official introduction of Grok 2. On the website XAI, we can find lots of interesting information about the parameters of the new model. One of the main achievements of Grok 2 is its very high position in the rating of chatbot language models. It seems that Elon Musk's team has made a wonderful job. But what makes Grok 2 so unique? Firstly, it is very large amount of data on which the model was trained. Secondly, usage of the newest technologies of machine learning. And lastly, a unique approach to the processing of natural language, which lets Grok 2 better understand context and generate more relevant responses. What's interesting is that soon the users of Twitter or X, how is it also called nowadays, will be able to interact with Grok 2 right in the app. This opens up tremendous possibilities for AI integration in the social media, and can fully change our outlook on how we converse online. But Elon Musk didn't stop on this. XAI has announced a partnership with a company called Black Forest Labs, which created the newest image generator Flux. And here's where the most interesting part starts. Flux is not your typical image generator. The quality and realism of its images is just shocking. It seems that the border between real images and AI-generated ones becomes thinner and thinner. However, every powerful technology has its dark side, and Flux does have it too. Lately, there have been lots of reports that the Grok image generator can create quite provocational and even insulting content. This has caused very active discussions on social media and raised some questions about the ethics and responsibility in the world of AI. An article on The Verge talks about this problem in detail, It appears that Grok can generate images that contain disinformation, propaganda, and other questionable content. This can be very dangerous, as this technology can be abused to create fake news or to manipulate the public opinion. These images you can find in our Discord server. The team at XAI is saying that they are working on improving filters and safety technology, but for now, the results are not so good. This tells us a lot about how it is very important to develop AI without forgetting the ethic norms. But our today's news don't end here. There have been reports that Elon Musk plans on releasing Grok 3 in the end of this year. And here's where the real AI race begins. According to the information on Reddit, for training Grok 3, it is planned to use an incredible 100,000 of H100 GPUs. For comparison, GPT-4 was trained on 25,000 of GPUs A100s. This means that the processing power that Elon Musk plans on throwing on creating a new model is just colossal. Such approach can give XAI a serious advantage in the race of AI technology. We can expect that Grok 3 will be even more capable and will be able to solve even more difficult problems. But what does all of this mean for us? It seems that we're entering a new era in the development of artificial intelligence. Technology is advancing at incredible speed, and what yesterday seemed like science fiction today becomes reality. From one side, this opens up incredible possibilities for progress in various fields, from medicine to space exploration. But from another side, such powerful technology in the hands of a few companies can be very dangerous, as it can be very easily misused. We're living in very exciting times, my friends. The future that awaits us can be very difficult, but also incredibly interesting. But that's all I have for today. Subscribe, like the video, and see you next time.